Hello and welcome to this month's Marketing Made Easy. Can you believe we're already in April? Okay, we are going to be diving into how to attract your ideal client. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Jameela Adams, website design and marketing consultant, founder of Jameela Adams at Your Service. I started my entrepreneurial journey back in 2019, and I am passionate about helping other entrepreneurs, especially women over 40, so they can turn their passion project into a service-based business through marketing and web design. So, Marketing Made Easy is a series of workshops designed to help those starting out on their entrepreneurial journey or the established small business owner who just needs a refresh. These workshops are 30 minutes long or less and are held at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on the third Wednesday of the month. So it's interactive and there will be a downloadable worksheet. So let's get into it. Okay, how do we attract our ideal clients? Well, first, we stop chasing and start attracting. So this is very pivotal in your marketing strategy, moving from chasing clients to attracting them. Let's talk about why this change is so crucial. When you stop chasing, you start wasting your energy on those who won't truly benefit from your services. Instead, you create a magnet uh, Instead, you create a magnetic pull for those who are perfectly aligned with your offer. The first point here is understand your unique value. You have something that is unique because it comes from you. Important of clarity, especially in your messaging. When your message is clear and targeted, it naturally draws those who are meant to work with you, making the process seamless and mutually beneficial. Finally, attracting clients isn't about trying to be everything to everyone. It's about embracing your niche and letting your expertise shine through, which in turn attracts the right people to your business. So, this shift not only enhances your business, but it also creates a more fulfilling relationships with your clients. Let's get ready to explore why you might be attracting the wrong clients and how to change that. Okay, so you're attracting the wrong clients. First and foremost, take a look at your messaging. Is it clear or is it specific? Is it a vague message that can confuse potential clients and lead you to think that you're offering something different than what you actually do? So let that just pause and resonate with you. Are you being clear with your messaging? Next, consider if you're trying to please everyone. I had to learn this. I'm not for everybody, and that's okay. And I want you to feel the same way too. You're not going to be for everybody, and that's okay. That's what makes you unique and makes other business owners just as unique. Your offering is from you. And as I said, your voice is specifically and unique to you. So when you have clients that know you, that understand what you offer, that makes you stand out. And here's the thing, if you try to cast a wide net, you're diluting your unique value. So it's making it harder for for your ideal clients to find you. Remember, you can't be everything to everybody, and that's okay. Lastly, think about your positioning. If it's unclear or non existent, potential clients won't understand where you fit in the market or why they should choose you over someone else. So let that sink in for just 1 second. What do you do that makes you stand out from your competition? And then work on that. But you have to remind yourself you're unique, what you offer is different from others in your industry, and your specific client will resonate with your words and your messaging because you become clear. So by addressing these areas, you'll start attracting the clients that truly resonate with your offer. Here's the truth about ideal clients. They're not everyone, okay? First, it's crucial to recognize ideal clients are specifically for you. This means instead of casting a wide net, like I said previously, try to appeal, and if you try to appeal to the masses, you will miss out on that focus group that is specifically for you. So ideal clients are those who align with your values and understand the unique value that you bring to the table. So I know the word unique and value gets tossed around a lot, but it's true. You are unique. Your services, how you do it, are unique. and your ideal client will appreciate the work that you do and will likely engage more deeply with your offerings. So, by recognizing this specifically, you can tailor your marketing strategies to connect more genuinely and effectively with those who really need your services. We're diving into what the term ideal client truly signifies for your business. Let's break it down to three specific aspects. Firstly, your ideal client are those who genuinely need your help. Their specific problems or challenges are what your expertise can address effectively. Secondly, value your work. They appreciate the unique services and products that you offer and understand the benefits they bring. This mutual respect and alignment and values are crucial for a successful partnership. And finally, ideal clients are ready to invest. They're willing to commit their resources, be it time, money, and energy, because they recognize the work that you provide and and are prepared to take the necessary steps to achieve their goals. By focusing on these key characteristics, you can align your business efforts to attract those clients who are most likely to benefit and appreciate your offerings. Step number one, get clear on who. So this is where you have to find out and do your market research. There's Everybody's got homework. So you have to do your market research. Okay. To truly connect with your ideal client, you first have to get crystal clear about who they are. Think about their age, their lifestyle, their goals. These attributes will help you paint a vivid picture of your target audience. I think when you do this, you're creating an avatar. You're basically saying, this is the person I want to reach. So this is what you have to do is focus on that person and build your sales or products around it. So next thing you have to consider the challenges they face. And you have to sit there and wonder, well, what challenges are they facing? So what are they struggling with? Now, if you know who your target audience is, like I do, like I said, help businesswomen, entrepreneurs over 40. Okay. They are either in transition from being in a 9 to 5 job, and they're looking to either subsidize their income or step away from that corporate job by doing something they truly love and are passionate about. So this is where you have to step in and say, I recognize that you have this problem. You're trying to either, in my case, you need help with your marketing, trying to reach the right people, and eventually you will need a website. So this is how I talk with my potential clients. Okay, what exactly are their pain points? What is keeping them up at night? Is it because their website, if they have one, isn't gaining traction because they're not using the correct images or language to reach their clients? These are the things that you have to take in consideration. So by knowing who they are, you can tailor your approach to resonate with their unique needs and aspirations. This fundamental understanding is crucial as we move forward to identify their specific problems and positioning ourselves as the solution. So, step number two, get clear on their problem. What is frustrating them? What have they already tried? What's not working? So, if you understand your client's problem, this is crucial in connecting with them effectively. In this step, we dive into their frustrations. First, consider what's currently frustrating them. This could be a recurring issue or a new challenge that's impacting their life or their work. Next, think about what they've already tried. They have sought other solutions or have they taken actions that haven't worked? This insight can help you tailor your approach. And then finally, identify what's not working for them. This helps you understand the gaps and solutions they've explored and position their offer to be more strategic. By emphasizing this, excuse me, by emphasizing with their struggles, you build a foundation of trust and pave the way for presenting yourself as the ideal solution. Okay, so finally, step number three. Position yourself as a solution. Does anyone have any questions? If so, you can leave them in the chat. Like I said, this is interactive, so I would love to see your questions or concerns or even your suggestions. That way, whatever you post can help the next person and we can answer each other's questions after the presentation. So, step number 3, like I said, position yourself as a solution. Speak directly to their problem, show them you understand, and offer a clear outcome. So, in this step, we're going to focus on how you can position yourself as a solution to your audience's problem. Begin by speaking directly to their problem and make sure that you truly understand their situation. Case in point, if you are an accountant and you know that this small business owner is struggling month after month trying to get their books together, you can step in and say, I understand that you're having a hard time getting your books together. Let me sit down with you and we can have a strategy moment and I can at least get 1 month of your books straight. Then after that, if you decide to hire me on, this will at least get you started and on the right track. So you see, you can identify their specific problem because they obviously need their books done. But you can also say that once we have this cleared up, we can possibly work together and move forward. So this is where you paint the picture of this is where you paint the picture of success and how you will help them achieve it. By positioning yourself effectively, not only do you address their needs, but you build a foundation of trust and reliability. Here's one thing you have to remember to do: speak their language. I can't stress to you enough the importance of communication. This is about truly connecting with your audience by using the vocabulary they use daily. So avoid, like I said, avoid industry jargon, which can create a barrier rather than a bridge. Instead, opt for language that feels real and relatable and approachable to them, because this will bring trust and it shows you are empathetic to their needs and understanding. So keeping the language authentic and accessible will ensure that your message is clear, impactful, and making your audience feel valued and heard. Where do you find your ideal clients? Either via social media, communities, networking events, referrals, word of mouth, or an email list. So this is very crucial when discovering your ideal clients. There are many avenues that can make impactful connections. First, let's talk about social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook are not just for socializing, they're powerful tools for finding and engaging your target audience. Make sure you join relevant groups and participate in discussions. They will see that you're willing to talk with them, and if not, make a post about how can you help them. Ask what their trouble, what their troubles are or their pain points. Create a poll. That way, they could see that you're genuinely interested in helping them solve their problems. So the next thing to consider are communities, both online and in real life. These could be industry forums, local meetups, or professional organizations. And like I said, networking events are a great way to get your name out there and talk about the problems that you solve. So being active in these places helps build credibility and trust. Referrals. Let's talk about referrals, word of mouth, and it's another golden opportunity. Encourage your current clients to spread the word about your services. Personal recommendations are incredibly powerful. So when someone gives a testimony about or reviews your work or whatnot, this will definitely put you on the radar for others who may need your services. And lastly, utilize your email list. It's not just a tool for promotion, but a way to nurture relationships. Keep your communication consistent and valuable. So does anyone have any questions so far? What techniques have you used to try to reach people? Talk about it in the chat. I would love to hear from you. What you need to stop doing, first and foremost, when you try to appeal to everyone, you end up not resonating with anyone. So instead, tailor your content for a specific ideal audience. Okay. Next, avoid over explaining. Simplicity is key. Don't complicate things. Just be very straightforward with what you do and how you do it. Your message should be clear and easy to understand. So lastly, stop second guessing yourself. I know it's hard. It really is, especially when you feel like no one's listening to you. But don't ever ever give up on your expertise. Don't ever second guess your expertise because you have life experience. So that's what I want us to realize is that our experience is what is golden because we can talk about things that we went through and how we can help others either avoid it, the pitfalls of being a business owner, or when we were in our former position in corporate America, whatnot, and talk about ways how you got people together and how you had this community in your workspace. So trust your expertise and experience. Stay confident in your messaging as your authenticity will naturally attract the right clients. So remember, by stopping these habits, you'll create a more impactful and meeting connections. Implement these strategies that we discussed, let's focus on creating a clear action plan. First, to define your ideal client. Think about their demographics, interests, and needs. Ask yourself who you want to serve and who will best benefit your offer. Next, clarify a specific problem your ideal client is facing. This requires understanding their pain points and how you can uniquely serve them. And then finally, adjust your messaging to speak directly to those clients and their issues. Tailor your language to approach that so it resonates and engages with them effectively. So I hope all of these tips helped. I want you to be aligned with your strategy. And with these steps, you will do that by attracting and retaining the ideal clients that you're looking for. When it comes to attracting the right clients, it's essential to have a strategic approach. If you're struggling with this, don't worry, you're not alone. Many people face this challenge. I face this challenge. Okay. So that's why I put together a great marketing strategy called Simplified Marketing. So that way you can get the strategy and support, with the right guidance. You can turn things around and attract the clients that you really, truly want to work with. Together, we can create a targeted plan that resonates with your potential client and aligns with your business goals. So if you're ready to take that next step and make your marketing work for you rather than against you, I would love to partner with you on this journey. So once again, thank you for being here with me today and allowing me to share the Marketing Made Easy with you. I hope you found some valuable insights that will make you feel empowered and will help you take your next steps confidently. If you're eager to continue this journey, let's explore ways to enhance your marketing skills. I invite you to join the You Already Have What It Takes webinar. And there it's more interactive, but it also will help you decide what service based business will best fit your needs and your talents because you already have what it takes. You've already got the experience. Let's work on that together. So I look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the chat, or you can reach me directly via email. I look forward to talking to you about your next step, and I look forward to seeing you next month. Yeah, God, can't believe it's already gonna be May. Anyway, have a great one, and thank you for participating in this workshop. And I look forward to seeing you next month. Take care.